Hi, I'm Robert Dutt from channelbuzz.ca. I'm joined by Patrina Wong, who heads up SMB channels for Avaya Canada. Patrina, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for taking the time. I want to talk a little bit about IP Office, the new version out, and it's kind of a cliche that it's a point release, not a big deal, but there really is a fair bit going on here. Certainly not the least of which is the fact that 8.1 seems to open up whole new markets for IP Office.
It was an exciting release for us. We introduced it July 16th, 2012. And what it really brings to light is two major changes to our offering on the SME solution. So the very first aspect is the scalability factor of our solution. So we're scaling up now to 1,000 seats, which is really, you're talking about the mid-size market, where traditionally in the past we've always had it about 384, so more the smaller end of the market size.
Right.
So with this new release, we're opening up a brand new market for our channel partners to make profit and revenue together with. So that's very exciting.
And what's kind of behind that? Why does this product suddenly scale so much higher?
Well, honestly we've just been listening to what our customers and our partners are asking for. Right, we took a look at what the market is missing. We understand that our customers want a full collaboration, a really comprehensive applications, but at a simplified, easy-to-use system and solution that our IP Office delivers. So a lot of our small and mid-sized customers were missing that capabilities because they either can't afford or don't want to go down that full-feature customized type of system that really entails a big IT department, really knowledgeable technicians and the people to really be able to manage it. So with the IP Office 8.1, we're scaling up, but keeping things user-friendly and having the capabilities and applications.
For a partner perspective, this is the same as previous versions of IP Office in terms of the experience for remote management and all those kinds of things?
Well, there's a little change, which is centralized management and centralized licensing, which brings a whole different dimensions to their ability to service and support their customers. So we introduced an enhanced security functionality with SSL VPN on the endpoints. So it means that a partner will be able to remotely support and maintain their system, which ultimately means reduced truck roll, lower cost for the partner, and ultimately means faster resolution for our end customer. Hopefully making them a happier customer along the way.
And probably makes it a more interesting product, and more interesting technology for folks who see themselves in a managed services kind of role.
Yeah, so it certainly delivers different type of aspects that the traditional IP Office back at 6.0, 7.0 weren't able to deliver. So the 8.1 being a point release really opens up this entire new market for them. So that's really the first major aspect of it. The second aspect is the increased capability for our customer, our end users, to really embrace and adopt the BYOD trend. So bring your own device to work. Right? So we're enabling them to really create a flexible workspace. We've enhanced our mobility applications into different platforms, and we've enhanced our networking and security options as well. So that's very key in the mid-sized market as we see it.
Okay. You mentioned BYOD, which is, of course, along with cloud, one of those mega trends that just can't be ignored this year. It's certainly one of the big topics. It seems like Avaya is working to get the whole, the flair message, that whole communicator style across the line. Is that sort of fully realized at this point? Or?
So with the 8.1 release, we've announced the Flare communication platform onto the IP Office using the iPad as well as Windows laptops. So we're bringing the applications that customers on the higher end enterprise level sees, and we're bringing that into our SME market. So it certainly is, we're encompassing all of the solutions that our enterprise customer typically enjoys into the smaller customer and the growing customers, right? With our acquisition of RadVision, for example, we have new solution that we will be pushing onto the IP Office SME solutions as well, so that's upcoming. All right, very exciting times.
So keep an eye out for that in the near future. All right. So we've got the higher scalability, the new management type features. What else do partners need to know about 8.1 in terms of getting out in the market, selling it, and being successful with it?
Well, with the 8.1, we also have a brand new SME support offering for our partners and our end customer ultimately. So it's built deliberately for the SME market, is a simple offering by Avaya where a customer can either go through a partner like they do today, but ultimately understand their total cost of maintaining their system, prepay 1 year, 3 year, or 5 year, and have the capability understanding that Avaya is fully supporting their customer, and ultimately through the partner, the ability to have technical remote support, corrective content, patches and updates, as well as a full release during their active contract. So that's a very cost-effective way of understanding your costs upfront from a partner perspective as well as a customer.
There's also a networking opportunity here, isn't there, for
Yes.
for folks who, I mean, no one wants to do the rip and replace, but if a customer happens to be in that right position to upgrade the network at the same time as upgrading the phone system, there's a bit of a better together story there, isn't there?
Yeah, so it kind of speaks very well from a Avaya perspective where we're not looking at the SME as just the IP Office, right? The IP Office is a main core component of the SME, but really embracing all of the networking capabilities, security, video, application, all encompassing, and that's really makes up the entire SME solutions for a partner. And quite frankly, it is when a partner embraces it all, that's where really their money and revenue comes from. So with the networking side, our Ethernet routing switch 3500 auto configures with our IP phones into an IP Office. So it means from a partner perspective, much faster installation, much faster deployment, and ultimately, again, hopefully, a happier, satisfied customer.
All right. So there you have it. There's the rundown on IP Office 8.1. Katrina, thanks so much.
Thank you.